This is a brand new 2013 BMW X3. This crossover has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, xDrive, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, and 12 perfectly positioned speakers producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.